Toyota knows towing. But it's not just mechanical muscle that gets the job done. There's also some clever tech behind the scenes too, like the electric trailer brake controller. This integrated system helps drivers fine-tune how the vehicle braking system interacts with the trailer's electronic brakes while in tow. To better understand how this technology works and help prepare for that next big haul, here are a few trailer brake controller basics. When carrying a heavy load, there's a lot of potential impact on performance, especially when considering how capable the vehicle braking system is at stopping the trailer once it's in motion. That's where the trailer brake controller comes in. It allows the driver to connect compatible Toyota vehicles to a trailer equipped with electric brakes and adjust the universal braking force that's applied. This means that whenever the brakes are pressed while the vehicle is towing, the brake controller will send a controlled signal to the braking system of the trailer behind it, applying enough braking force to slow the trailer effectively, but not too much force to cause wheel lockup. So, ready to tow? The first step is to make sure the vehicle can connect to the trailer brake controller. This requires the use of a 7-pin connector to link the trailer brake controller to the trailer brakes and lights. So be sure the connection is secure. It's important to note that not all trailers have trailer brakes. A good indicator is the use of a 4-pin connector instead of a 7-pin connector. The next step takes place inside the vehicle. From the multi-information display, select the type of trailer brakes that are equipped, either electric or electric over hydraulic. If you aren't sure about which is equipped on the trailer, you should look at either the trailer owner's manual or manufacturer specifications to confirm. Once selected, it's time to adjust the gain setting on the trailer brake controller, which sets the amount of braking power output to the trailer brakes when the vehicle brake is depressed. This is done through the system's plus and minus buttons, which can adjust the gain from 0, where there's no trailer braking, to 10 for maximum trailer braking, in half-step increments. To find the ideal gain level, first set the gain to 5 to establish a baseline. While driving the vehicle at a moderate speed on an open road with no other vehicles present, pinch the manual brake slider to engage the trailer brakes only. This helps get a feel for how the braking force is applied. Now, using the plus or minus buttons again, increase or decrease the gain to just below the point of trailer wheel lockup. Braking should feel consistent and more secure between the vehicle and trailer when properly adjusted. Beyond having the tech to tow, modern Toyota vehicles are designed to help bring added safety on the road thanks to the Pre-Collision System, or PCS for short, which is a feature of Toyota Safety Sense. With the new trailer brake controller featured on vehicles like Tundra and Sequoia, PCS is now able to account for the trailer in tow and help adjust the system to work properly. So what does this mean? In the first stage, when the system determines there's a possibility of colliding with a preceding car or pedestrian, it provides audible and visual alerts on the vehicle's multi-information display. In the second stage, if the driver doesn't respond quickly to the alerts but still applies the brakes, the system can provide additional brake assist. Finally, if the driver doesn't respond to the alerts at all, PCS can activate automatic emergency braking to help avoid potential collision or lessen the impact. So whether towing equipment around town or taking a long haul, Toyota's commitment to safety is always front and center. Thanks to Toyota's trailer brake controller, fine-tuning a vehicle's stopping capabilities while towing can be done on the fly and with relative ease. To learn more about Toyota's awesome towing tech and the vehicles that feature it, visit toyota.com.